Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Ju Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add payment methods within Google Chrome. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you're inside Google Chrome, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then go down to settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to click on autofill and passwords. Click on that. Now you will see the payment methods option here, right? So if you click on that, you'll be able to see the add button here that says payment methods, and there's an add button. You can click on that, then click whether you want to do IBAN or add credit debit card. So click on that, and from here you can fill in the details of your credit card number, the expiration date and year, and you can add your security code here if you so desire, name on the card, nickname if you so desire, and then once all is filled in and correct, you can click save. Right now, you'll be able to click the save button afterwards. Now, once you add those cards to your account, and if you would like to somehow delete it afterwards, you will have the card options here below, and there will be a three dots there or dots there to click there, and you will have the option to remove it afterwards if you don't want to have it anymore. Right? There will be two options, one to delete, one to edit, and you can edit the current card or you can delete it if you so desire. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and add payment methods to your Google Chrome browser if you so desire. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.